has arrived. Let's unbox this. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Luxurious press-on nails. A box of 28. Almond medium. Loves it. I love the color. I love the shine. That's one box. Ooh, these are the ones I'm going to put on today. Look at this. I'm so excited. But I'm at the park. I figured I'd come to the park to do my set. Ooh, how luxurious. Everything is sealed. So I know it's fresh. Fresh. Peekaboo. Ooh, I like this. This is easy to just toss in my purse and go. Bring my set with me just in case one pops off. So I'll pop it in my purse, but okay, let's get started. Ooh, I love this. That is so cute. Nicki's signature. Okay, you put your time and effort into this. Oh, Nicki's signatures in each nail. I love it. Ooh, that's gonna look pretty. So let me do these. So I'm gonna file them, each of my nails. And then they've got the cuticle pusher. So I'm gonna push my cuticles back. Just do a quick set. All right. Now, I guess these are extra nails. Awesome. I'll set those aside. And then, oh, I love the option. You could do the sticky tabs or the glue. Now, I'm a girl that's very hands-on and I do a lot of stuff. So I think I'm going to use the glue. But I am going to do the alcohol prep because I feel like nails stay on longer and better when you use the alcohol. So let's file these. This gives it something nice to stick to. I'm gonna be looking so good. Can't wait to see how my set turns out. Push the cuticles back. Push it back. Okay, now let's open the alcohol wipe and wipe off all my fingernails. Very nice. I love it. I love an all-inclusive kit where you can one-stop shop. Welcome to my nail salon. Let's go. I'm excited. Oops, I don't want my stuff to blow away, so let me put the little tray back for now. I'm outside at the beautiful park. It's a nice, beautiful sunny day. I've been waiting to put these on. Very nice. So far, so good. Let's do the pinky. I like that Nicki has her signature in every single nail. That's classic. That's awesome. I've been so excited waiting to receive my package. I was patiently waiting for the queen's nails to arrive. And it's worth the wait because these are fabulous. It is nice to go to the nail shop and be pampered, but it saves money, and these are great quality. They're thick. I can wash dishes. I can do my daughter's hair. I can do all the things. I can do all the things with these nails. I love the length. Like I ordered the medium almond shape because I think almond looks good on my hand shape and on me. This color looks good on my skin color. I'm excited. I loves it, darling. I loves it. Got 3 more to go, and then I'm about to eat a little lunch. Overall, Overall, I absolutely love this kit. It's going to fit in my purse on the go, just in case I got to do a little touch up. But I definitely love these nails. They're very durable, and I'm super excited. And so, Pink Friday nails, you should get you some.